Bowers Wilkins 805D5, reference class compact loudspeaker with diamond tweeter technology. The Bowers Wilkins 805D5 represents one of the most refined expressions of compact loudspeaker engineering within the brand's flagship 800 Diamond series. Positioned as a reference bookshelf model, the 805D5 is designed to deliver full range, studio-grade accuracy and a form factor suitable for smaller listening environments. With a launch price of approximately €12,000 per pair, around $15,000 USD depending on region, it firmly occupies the ultra-high-end segment of the global hi-fi market. Despite its compact dimensions, the 805D5 inherits core technologies from the larger 800 series models, ensuring that its sonic performance is not constrained by its size. Instead, it is engineered as a precision instrument for audiophiles who prioritize clarity, imaging, and tonal neutrality over sheer scale. Design philosophy, science-driven acoustic engineering. The design of the 805D5 follows a fundamental principle central to the 800 Diamond series. Form is dictated by acoustic science. Every curve, material choice, and structural reinforcement is implemented to minimize resonance and maximize sonic transparency. The speaker cabinet features a continuously curved enclosure that reduces internal standing, waves, and diffraction effects. This is further reinforced by an aluminum rear panel and advanced internal bracing, ensuring that the enclosure remains acoustically inert even under demanding playback conditions. A key structural innovation is the matrix internal bracing system, which forms a rigid lattice inside the cabinet. This significantly reduces panel vibration and contributes to a more controlled and realistic soundstage. Diamond Dome Tweeter, precision beyond human hearing. At the heart of the 805D5's performance is its iconic Diamond Dome Tweeter, one of the most advanced high-frequency drivers ever used in commercial loudspeakers. The tweeter material is engineered for extreme stiffness and low mass, allowing it to respond with exceptional speed and accuracy. Mounted in a dedicated solid-body tweeter-on-top enclosure, the tweeter is physically isolated from the main cabinet to eliminate mechanical interference. This design allows it to operate with extraordinary clarity and spatial precision. The tweeter extends high-frequency response up to 35 kHz, 6 decibels, far beyond the audible range of human hearing. However, its true advantage lies in audible performance benefits, exceptional micro-detail retrieval, improved spatial imaging and depth, increased sense of air, and openness, reduced high-frequency distortion. This results in a sound signature that is highly transparent yet never fatiguing, making the 805D5 suitable for long critical listening sessions. Continuum Cone technology, natural mid-range reproduction. The mid-bass performance of the 805D5 is handled by a 165mm Continuum Cone driver, a proprietary material developed by Bowers Wilkins to replace traditional Kevlar-based designs. Unlike conventional driver materials that can exhibit abrupt breakup modes, the Continuum Cone offers a smoother transition across its operating range. This results in more linear behavior and significantly reduced coloration. In practical terms, this translates into highly accurate vocal reproduction, natural instrument timbre, improved separation in complex mixes, greater emotional realism in music playback. Whether reproducing orchestral recordings or modern studio productions, the Continuum driver ensures that the 805D5 maintains a neutral and highly revealing character. Acoustic engineering and bass performance. Although compact in size, the 805D5 delivers impressive low-frequency extension for a bookshelf design. Using Flowport technology, the speaker optimizes airflow through its rear bass port, reducing turbulence and port noise. The result is tight, controlled bass response that integrates seamlessly with the mid-range. While it does not aim to replace large floor-standing speakers in terms of deep bass output, it achieves remarkable balance and articulation within its intended operating range. The frequency response is specified as 42 Hz to 28 kHz, plus or minus 3 decibels, 34. It's the 35 kHz, 6 decibels extension. This makes it capable of full-range performance in appropriately sized rooms, especially when paired with a high-quality amplifier. System integration and amplification requirements. The 805D5 is designed to perform optimally with high-quality amplification. With a sensitivity of 88 decibels and a nominal impedance of 8 ohms, minimum 4.6 ohms, it is compatible with a wide range of amplifiers, though it benefits significantly from stable, high-current designs. Recommended amplifier power ranges from 50 West to 1000 W into 8 ohms, allowing flexibility in system configuration from refined audiophile stereo setups to high-end home theater systems. Proper system matching is essential to fully unlock its dynamic range, transparency, and imaging capabilities. Build quality, finishes, and industrial design. Aesthetically, the 805D5 reflects the premium craftsmanship associated with the 800 Diamond series. The cabinet is available in 4 luxurious finishes: stealth black, warm white, light walnut, dark walnut. Each version is complemented by high-quality cannoli leather detailing, reinforcing its position as a luxury audio product as well as an acoustic instrument. The speaker is designed to be used with dedicated FS805 stands, which provide optimal listening height, improved stability, and additional vibration isolation. The combination of sculpted cabinetry, precision engineering, and premium materials ensures that the 805D5 functions as both a performance device and a design statement. Market position and availability. The 805D5 occupies a premium position in the global loudspeaker market, competing with other reference-grade compact monitors. Its launch price of approximately €12,000 per pair, $15,000 USD, reflects its status as a flagship compact model within the 800 Diamond series. Availability is typically limited to authorized high-end audio retailers and specialist hi-fi distributors. Depending on region, pricing and stock availability may vary, particularly due to import duties and dealer configurations. Conclusion: compact form reference level performance. The Bowers Wilkins 805D5 demonstrates that compact loudspeakers can achieve reference-class performance when engineered without compromise. By combining diamond tweeter technology, continuum cone mid-range accuracy, and advanced cabinet architecture, it delivers a sonic presentation defined by precision, transparency, and emotional realism. While its physical size makes it suitable for smaller listening environments, its performance ambitions are anything but small. The 805D5 stands as a benchmark in high-end audio. Design an example of how meticulous engineering and material science can redefine what a bookshelf speaker is capable of achieving.